Hi everyone, I'm Apollonia Puente, your dating and relationship coach, founder of ApolloniaPuente.com, and I have a really exciting one for you today. And from one of your viewers that comment, his name is Sebastian. Thank you, Sebastian, for commenting and requesting a video because this video is for you. And thank you for requesting it because you have probably just helped so many other men with the same question. And that is, younger men liking older women. Ooh, I love this one. So before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to this amazing YouTube channel full of dating and relationship advice for you men to go confidently in the direction to attract that woman that you truly, truly desire. All right, so I was always a girl, to be honest, that liked older men when I was in my 20s or 30s. Well, I'm giving away my age a little bit, I'm still in my 30s. But anyways, so I was always attracted to them because of the fact of their maturity level. It was only because of their maturity level. Because I had a presence in my mind that I was saying, okay, so if I date anybody younger than me, they're going to be immature and they're not going to want the same things. So a lot of times older women don't go for younger men unless they pursue them. Okay, and this was one of the questions that I had in regards to how to attract an older woman. And yes, you younger men, I really, really advise you to pursue the older woman if she's kind of 50-50 about you. Some women, they don't care and they'll go after you. I'm sure you know that. But at the end of the day, if you are a male that is attracted to an older woman, it's because you value a woman that values herself, that is mature, doesn't play games, and that has her head on straight, and that you can have those intellectual conversations with, because that is how you are stimulated as a person and as a man. And that's a beautiful, beautiful thing, because as we get older, that's truly of what we want in our relationships and in life. But a lot of times what we call old souls, a lot of times these younger men can have these old souls and be attracted to older women, which I speak from experience. So I myself was attracted to older men just because of the maturity level. But when a younger man came into my life, which is my soulmate, he actually showed me how much more mature he was than I was. He was so complacent in his life. He had a place of self-dignity for himself. He had a place of self-respect for himself. He had goals for himself, and he had a sense of compassion for me. And this was extremely, extremely attractive, because I was in a time in my life where I wanted that relationship as that older woman. I wanted that, and I was out to seek it. But if someone came to me that was showing me all the goals and attributes that they had, that I would be invested to find out more about them, to get to know them a little bit more. So that's how you go about it, is mentally stimulating a woman that is older than you, showing her that you value yourself, you come from a place of self-dignity, that you have respect for others, that you have respect for you, and that you know how to have a mature conversation with a woman. And I know if you're a young man attracted to older women, you know how to do that, and you know how to have those conversations, because that's all you know. You might not even be one of those men that like to have those surface level conversations on dates, and find substance within an older woman to really just attract each other mentally, and then it leads on to physicality. So in the beginning, it might be a little tendency to go back and forth, this woman, because you might be a younger man, because she has to rationalize this in her head of, is this a good conscious decision that I'm making? But the more that you put in effort, and the more that you show up and do good deeds and acts of service for her, then this is where you can win her over. Acts of service doesn't not mean buy her the nicest things and take her out to 5-star dinners. No, acts of service means pay attention to what she says and remember those things. Like, what if she says, oh my goodness, my favorite dessert is macaroons, and you go and you get her macaroons a week later because you remember this, and you just send them to her doorstep, or you show up on a date one day with some macaroons, whatever it is, get creative in this process and really pay attention to what she desires, what she talks about, and remember the things that are important to her and bring them up later. Because the way you attract an older woman is when you show that you are paying attention to her and only her, and really forming that connection with each other. And then lastly, this brings me to the last thing, is there was a question too about this, about older women prefer older guys, or women just prefer older men because of their resource of wealth. Okay, let me be very, very clear with you. Some women do desire a man that has wealth and or just goals. I'm not going to put that aside and say it's not true, because it is. Almost 80% of women out there, and I would say about 80% of women out there that I know and that I've communicated with, want to have that substance relationship. So meaning a guy with goals, a guy with focus, a guy with drive, and a guy going after something that he truly desires, that he's happy, because it brings positivity into your life. Yeah, you can't be dead broke, because obviously you have to work on yourself. You have to create that balance for your life in order to get it what it is that you want. So if you have a balance in your life, that's all that you need. And secondly, a lot of older women already been there, done that, and they've seen the dynamics shift when it comes to these type of men, and that's something that they don't want. They might like a man in power, but they don't want a guy with wealth. And that's what a lot of men get misconstrued, is they think, oh, a guy has to be rich. But no, they just like a powerful man. So find out the ways that you're powerful. Start taking control, start taking authority. This is what women like, and start making plans. Be decisive, be on time, and be committed. And that's all you need in order to capture an older woman's heart. I can guarantee it. If you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up, and I welcome your comments. I love to hear your stories. Share some stories, comments, or feedback below, and I'll answer them personally myself. And since you stayed to the end of the video, I have something very special for you. If you take that woman out on a date, and when you take that woman out on a date, what do you want to ask her? That's why I created a download called the 20 Question Download to get to know a woman's true self, and I'll put that link in the description box below. And as always, I'll see you again in the next video, and remember, you are always loved. Bye for now.